work expanded to the scale of territory. Reserva panamaes is an ongoing effort to integrate architecture, conservation, forestry management, and community participation. Rather than designing isolated structures, we began building relationships. Relationships between water systems and vegetation, between soil health and long-term resilience, between development and ecological continuity. Regenerative design became an important framework. Sustainability attempts to reduce harm. Regenerative design attempts to improve conditions. It asks how architecture can create positive environmental impact. It asks how development can strengthen biodiversity. It asks how design can support long-term stewardship of the land. Architecture becomes part of a larger ecological narrative. Wellness within this framework extends beyond the individual to include the health of the environment and the communities connected to it. Our reforestation initiatives contribute to ecological stability while also creating opportunities for local participation and skill development over many years of collaboration. Through Studio Tuali, this knowledge evolves into the production of furniture using responsibly sourced materials connected to our reforestation efforts. This process reinforces continuity between environmental care, craft, and meaningful work. In this way, sustainability supports a broader definition of well-being, one that connects healthy landscapes with long-term community resilience and a deeper sense of relationship between people, material, and place.